Alright, this is a story about one time all the fingers were like, you know what? The thumb today, we're gonna gang up on the thumb and we're gonna make fun of the thumb. We're gonna tease the thumb. So they just kept teasing the thumb. They're saying, oh, you know what, Thumby? You're just, not like tall like us. You're just kind of plump. They kept on teasing him. Oh, thumb, you're so big and plump. The thumb grew kind of sad and decided, I'm not gonna hang around with those fingers anymore. He just sat there and just gave up. And guess what? Then when the hand needed to write something or even to grab something, it just couldn't. And then, the fingers finally realized, we need the thumb's help. He's actually pretty useful. So then they said sorry to Mr. Thumb, and then they started working cooperatively again. And now the lesson could be that when we learn to work together, it's powerful.